Your home's windows do far more than let in light. They define style, set the tone for curb appeal, and contribute to long-term property value. For Rockford homeowners, replacing outdated or worn windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a refreshed look, new windows can dramatically boost both curb appeal and resale value. Why windows matter for first impressions. Curb appeal is often the first factor potential buyers notice. In Rockford's competitive housing market, a home with updated, stylish windows will instantly stand out. Symmetry and proportion. New windows ensure your home's design looks balanced and polished. Fresh finishes. Modern frames in vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum resist fading and keep their sleek look longer. Architectural match. From historic Rockford houses to contemporary builds, replacement windows can be customized to complement any style. Simply put, windows set the stage for how your home is perceived at first glance. Modern designs elevate curb appeal. Today's replacement windows offer a wide variety of styles and finishes that instantly elevate a home's appearance. Double-hung and casement windows provide classic elegance with modern performance. Picture and bay windows create a stunning focal point while letting in natural light. Custom designs allow you to highlight unique architectural features. For Rockford homeowners who want their home to look refreshed and inviting, new windows are a game-changer. Energy efficiency appeals to buyers. Curb appeal isn't the only factor buyers care about. Long-term savings and comfort are equally important. New windows deliver both. Double or triple pane glass with insulating gas reduces heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer. Low E coatings reflect heat while protecting interiors from UV damage. Tighter seals mean fewer drafts and lower energy bills. Buyers see energy-efficient windows as a major selling point, especially in Rockford, where temperatures vary widely throughout the year. Improving interior aesthetics. New windows don't just improve your home's exterior, they also enhance its interior appeal. Brighter spaces. Larger panes and modern designs allow more natural light inside. Better views. Clearer glass and updated frames create a more open feel. Fresh style. Updated window trims and finishes add polish to any room. These improvements help buyers connect emotionally with a home, which can translate to stronger offers. Boosting resale value. Window replacement is one of the highest return home improvement projects, often recouping a significant portion of the investment at resale. Higher perceived value. Buyers are willing to pay more for a move-in ready home with modern windows. Fewer concerns. New windows reduce the likelihood of inspection issues like drafts, leaks, or wood rot. Competitive edge. In Rockford's housing market, homes with updated windows sell faster and at higher prices than those with outdated features. For homeowners planning to sell within the next few years, window replacement is a smart way to maximize return on investment. Durability. For Rockford's climate. Rockford's weather brings cold winters, hot summers, and seasonal storms. New windows are built with advanced materials designed to withstand these conditions. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist warping, rotting, and corrosion. Impact-resistant glass provides added protection and peace of mind. Professional installation ensures your windows perform efficiently for decades. Durability adds long-term value, giving both current homeowners and future buyers confidence in their investment. Final thoughts for Rockford homeowners. Replacing old windows is about more than just aesthetics, it's about creating a lasting impression and improving home value. New windows boost curb appeal, enhance energy efficiency, brighten interiors, and provide durability tailored to Rockford's climate. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enjoy the pride of a refreshed look, investing in new windows delivers both beauty and financial rewards. With professional installation, your Rockford home will stand out, perform better, and hold greater value for years to come.